Hi, good morning, everybody. So today I'm going to talk to you a few things about what we're going to be doing in class for the next few weeks and preparing ourselves for virtual learning. Um, you can say something? No? No? All right. Oh, good job. Um, so this is a few important things. So first, let me talk about something that will affect everybody in class. Uh, and that's going to be your grades. So grades are due, or we turn them in April 24th. Um, and whatever grades you see in the grade book will be your grade. Now, the whole deal is you can improve the grades any way that you need to. So if you see a certain grade that you don't like, let me know, and I'll give you a chance to make it a better grade. So I'll have you do something and you can make it a better grade, like either it's test corrections or maybe you're missing something. But those empty spots that you see in the grade book are things you need to turn in or I haven't got graded yet. The reason why last week I did all the grades for my regular physics classes, so this week I'm concentrating only on the grades for AP Physics, so we should get through those pretty quickly. So if there's any questions about anything, again, please, I'm always here. Just send me an email, unless your name is Joe, and then I just ignore you, I guess. But for everybody else, to send me an email or come during office hours, and I'll help you out with it. And again, I might adjust office hours to noon this week, just because I know a lot of you guys aren't even waking up until noon anyway. So that's that. So again, look at your grade book. Everybody can get an A if that's what you want. All right. So all I have to do is like, Mr. K's, I don't like my grade for this thing. What can I do? And I'll be like, all right, you can do this. Isn't that right? All right, 2. Let's talk about the AP test real quick. So about half of you guys are taking the AP test. Kira, push that. So there's some good things and bad things about it. Actually, surprisingly, the good thing is there's only one unit we haven't covered that's on the test, and that's simple harmonic motion. So this unit is actually where the regular test is the least representative unit on the test itself, right? So small harmonic motion is usually about 2 to 4% of the test, which is the smallest unit. So that's a good thing for us because we've gone through all the other units, we just haven't gone through simple harmonic motion. So what we're doing for you're going down, for continuity of learning week 4 and 5 is we're going to be doing that simple harmonic motion. Now everybody needs to participate in this. This is your continuity of learning. Obviously I'm not putting grades to stuff, so I want you to try as best you can on all of the objects. Having said that, I understand it could be difficult learning a new topic, so I'll come up with some videos as well. Again, I'm here for questions if you have questions, but we're going to do this through class craft, all right? So we're doing this again. You'll see the second episode is simple harmonic motions. You're going to go through that the same way you did before, and we're going to try to teach you guys this unit in the next 2 weeks, so it's not too bad. The other good news for AP Physics students, I think, is it's only a 45-minute test, or for those taking the test, sorry, it's only a 45-minute test, and it is a FRQ, and I know FRQs scare the crap out of students. Now listen, honestly, I think the way we've been doing class actually sets you up better for FRQs. Like last year when we were doing this experiment stuff, really I was more worried about multiple choice questions because we don't get practice of that, and we don't get practice like that too much anyway. So now we're just doing FRQs as a way of giving your information just based off of situations, and we've already been doing scenarios and situations all year long. It's an open notes test. I'll give you some consolidated notes to help you out. That way you don't have to go through tons of different notes. And I'm going to give you guys the next, I think we have like a month because I think the test is on May 14th. I'm going to give you guys different ways of tackling FRQs, practice on how to get that. So anybody who's actually taken an AP test, I think it should be really good. This might be a really good opportunity for you guys to score really well in the test. I'm not sure how they're going to grade with this, dealing with the whole, schools closing and stuff like that, so they might even grade easier. I mean, don't count on that, but that might be another thing as well you could look towards. But let's. I think you guys are in a good position. So we'll do discipline harmonic motion. If you're definitely taking the test, please pay attention. Please ask tons of questions. If you're not taking the test, you still got to do it because you're still going to learn it. And then we'll move on to what we're doing, our virtual learning stuff. And there it goes into virtual learning. Virtual learning, when we started, was at the end of April, beginning of May, basically. We'll be finishing up our project for our Astronomy project, our Planet Hunter project. So luckily that's mostly online anyway, so we'll be doing that, and then we'll move on from there and see what you want. I'll probably ask you guys like what topics you want to learn or something similar to that. And I think that's it. Again, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. This is only like 6 minutes. Yes, it's one of my shorter videos. And that's it. Thank you guys. Remember, Classcraft. Oh, that reminds me, the last thing. So a lot of you guys got to a certain point in Classcraft where I had to let you go on, right? That's because in the first quest, your next task is to do a boss battle. So everybody, like when you do the boss battle, I have to be on at the same time that you're on to do the boss battle. I don't like it too much that way, but that's how it kind of works out. So when you progress to the next task in that first quest, we're gonna have to, I think I asked that give me times in which you'll be on. We'll try to be on the same time. I'll have the boss battle. It's basically like a quiz. You can either do it by yourself if you're not on a team, or if you're on a team, everybody on your team actually does it together. And you guys fight this monster, and you get answers correct, then it loses hit points. If you get them wrong, then you lose hit points. And basically you have to defeat the monster. So we're gonna try this out again. I'm just kind of exploring, kind of seeing different ways of doing more of an online stuff. And if with this week and then the next one, which is Super Harmonic Motion, goes through Classcraft again, I'll give you guys like a survey to see how you like the actual Classcraft and whether it's worth pursuing. All right, that's all. Now it's 7 minutes. Great. All right, see you guys. Bye. I really don't get what all the fuss is. All I'm doing is what? Fishing? Catching bugs? Decorating my house? And what? I gotta pay 398,000 bells? Now I'm in servitude. It's like real life simulator. Great. Now I have a second job. Barb, do you find any tarantulas?